Toyota Prius. We got it stuck in the garage. Yeah, so my dad's pulling the white car up to the Prius, and we can jump start it from the back. If you know how to access the battery, if you can find the manuals, then we're going to attempt. That's the positive right there. We took this little thing off, but it would normally look like this. That's the positive right there. We're going to connect it to the screw. And we're basically going to do the equivalent of charging it up front. We're going to see if this works. This is a combination of multiple people's ideas, so yeah. Okay, so we have successfully gotten this thing started up, and I assure you that this car did not work previously, and it's on. But if we were to take this thing off, then it just powers right off. We need to get the engine started, I believe, so that we can start getting the power working. I don't know, this might do if we would just leave this for a few minutes. We feel very uncomfortable about doing this. Dad did not want to be in the recording, so I'm not going to show his concerned expression. But we're really hopeful this is going to work, because this might be the first video of somebody ever attempting this. Yeah, call us crazy, but if this works, then it might not be crazy anymore. We might just be smart. Okay, we're still going. We're able to get this running. As you can see, for some reason the battery is already like half full. But we disconnected it and it's still on. It is working. It appears that our method has actually worked. I am like, I don't even know what to think. This is so cool. There's a weird smell out here. No, don't think it's like gonna explode or nothing. Must just be the gas. This thing hasn't been running for a while, so. I think we did it. Woohoo! I really encourage y'all to try this. Yeah. Okay, so this is how we took it apart, and this is how we got the trunk open without the battery. My dad's bringing the car back, but there is some switch down in there. It's hard to see, but you have to feel around for it, and you can feel it's that little thing right there. See that? You pull it up like that, and it unlatches the trunk. I don't know if you can see that down in there, but it's definitely unlocked. Sorry, that was kind of upside down, but anyway, so yeah. So the battery is right there. We connected it to that, which is a good negative. This is the toolbox, which you have to take out. Sorry, it's a little jittery. I'm trying to get this thing back in. But after this, I'll show you what it looks like with the toolbox. Okay, toolbox is back in. This is what it looks like. And yeah. So let's stick this back over here. Over on top of the battery. Okay, I got the thing back on. This fell off in the process, which is just for the light. That's back on. So then after all this, this is what goes on. This big, and it just goes over the top. Toolbox cover. Sorry about the bad quality of the video. One second. Okay, then after you get this thing on, you just want to lock it like that. You want to do the same on this side. It's already done. Put the mat back on. Okay, now let's put the trunk down and test and see if this thing works. Should. Alrighty. Okay, here we go. We are about to drive. And here we go. My idea worked. Can't believe it, we're geniuses. Oh, this is awesome. We're actually able to drive this thing. This is really, really cool. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video.